how to fix Google Drive is still processing. So first is you have to go to your Google Drive here and then just choose the video that you want to open, and if you try to open it, it will actually look like this. Video is still processing. Try again in a few minutes. So you can actually directly just tap on download it so that you can see the video. Now, if you don't want to actually download the video there, under it, you will see suggested third-party apps. So you will see Cloud Convert, Video Player for Google Drive, YouTube Uploader for Dropbox or Drive. Either there, you can choose it. So, but I highly recommend you to choose the Video Player for Google Drive. Now, if you tap on that, you will be redirected to a player. So basically, you can watch the video there. Now, if you're not comfortable with that, you can just go and tap on download the video. And basically, that is how you fix the Google Drive video is still processing. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Google Drive application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.